Okay.
What's up, everyone?
Coronavirus! Shit's getting real. Getting real. Coronavirus.
What's up, everyone? My name is Nightrow, and today I'm going to be doing my first quarantine vlog because why not? There's nothing else to do. Also, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded any other Resident Evil videos. I will do that as soon as I have time, but whatever. We're going out just to goof around with my cousin and sister because Sunday is Father's Day and I want to get my dad a
birthday?
Shut up.
Pocket pussy!
A freaking Father's Day gift, and I guess my mom because she's freaking annoying. But whatever, we're going out.
You're gonna buy a Father's Day gift to your mom.
Can I get a Father's Day gift too? I'll be taking care of you. Like, look at me.
Are you a father?
Bitch, not yet.
She could be.
But she's
if
not.
she wanted.
I will be.
But she's not.
She can be whatever she wants if she put her mind to it.
Exactly.
Does she even have a mind?
Nope.
Patrick. So yeah, we're going to the mall and have some fun and goof around because it's quarantine.
Yes, because wasting money is so fun. Thank you, Bobby Drone, for the money.
Yeah. Daddy Trump?
Daddy Trumps.
You?
Hey, he been fucking paying me shit. I don't care.
So yeah, let's see what we can find in the mall once we get there. Well, we're finally in. Now the search goes on for a gift for Father's Day.
Estamos adentro, cabrones.
Okay. So, should we go where exactly first? For a
Dude,
gift?
vamos de tienda en tienda. We don't know.
Okay. We're just gonna go everywhere because we got nothing to do. Besides search around for a gift. I kinda wanna check to see Hot Topic. Let's
You're
go.
gonna find something for your dad there?
No.
No. Just
Ow,
Now I'm getting static from you.
You gave me static first, like twice. First it was a small static and now it's a big static.
You can get that those shoes.
The pink ones?
They're red.
It's open.
Nope.
Yeah.
You're being bamboozled.
Oh, yeah.
There's new bands. They're not showing you that.
I know.
I like one.
Instead of using the movie for the movie theaters, why not use it for those shoes that you want?
Nani?
He got money anyways, who cares?
Exactly. You said you were gonna use all your money for movie theater, so instead of movie theaters,
I wasn't gonna do it.
you're the one who said it.
Víctor dijo que quería hacer eso. Yo dije, fuck him. I ain't gonna waste my money in dumb shit.
Well, Victor ain't the smartest cook in the group.
He was never smart.
Yeah.
He's my friend. You can't say that. Only I can.
That's exactly the point.
He's my
Question
sexual
mark?
partner, okay?
Your sexual partner.
And everything is being recorded. What you're saying.
I know.
Well, let's go in.
I rip that ass every Sunday.
Okay, guys. Well, we got out of the mall. I wasn't able to find any gifts for my dad, but I did bought some 2 shirts for myself.
Drip, drip.
And now we're going to another mall to look for a gift there.
Trying to look for some Roblox titties.
Yeah, sure. Let's buy some Robot titties somewhere. I don't know where though. But now we're heading to the car because this heat is crazy as fudge.
We're fucking hungry. We're poor. Send us money.
Also, we're planning, after we get to the next mall, we're planning on eating some food, some really good one. So, like, how much does it cost?
$8.50.
$8.50?
Yeah, that's cheap.
And that's like the big one that you got the last time?
Yep.
Okay, well, we can share that. We can share the food. The one that we ate that last time, we can share that food since it's only $8.55.
Where the fuck did you put the other fudge? It's $8.50.
Hmm?
I'm shit in
I'm
your mouth.
confused. What are you talking about?
You said $8.55, right?
$8.50. No sé dónde carajo pusiste los otros 5 centavos.
I don't, well, whatever. Either way, it's still cheap.
Let's go to Chili's.
Eh.
We ain't rich.
You got money?
No, I don't.
Papa has money.
Yeah, but why Chili's though?
Never been there,
I only been there once.
so you can be twice.
Nah, I'm good.
Which there's okay.
Yeah, but it's expensive
Not
and I
really.
don't wanna.
Tú vas a comprarte un churrasco con 2 sides con 8 pesos.
But like, churrasco's not my favorite food though.
No, bicho, I'm just giving you options. I don't fucking care what's your favorite food. For all I care, you can be fucking eating dick.
No, that's bad for your health.
Don't tell that to women. What the fuck's wrong with you?
Well, whatever.
I'm getting a little dry.
Yes, you are.
Sex was terrible. She bit my pee-pee off.
Oh no, so you're pee-pee-less now?
No, I have to.
So you're basically a shark.
What?
Yes.
Los tiburones tienen dos bichos.
Yes!
Bicho, I don't believe you.
Then Google it.
How many dicks do a shark have?
Like literally, and their dicks literally falls off after sex.
Thank God I'm not a shark.
That's why they have two, because the first one falls off. Did you finish Googling it?
He has 2 dicks.
See, told you, the first one falls off.
Them bitches been sucking dick too hard. I'm just saying.
This is why I told you that you're a shark.
No, it doesn't fall off. I just have 2 heads in one shaft.
Well, you learned something
Allah.
new now, Gabi.
No actúes como si no nos conoces.
He said don't pretend that you don't know us. Lies. Well, we're almost at the car. Well, see you guys at the next mall eating food. Okay, guys.
You're not recording the ass thing, right?
Oh,
Okay.
why you had to involve him with the ass thing?
Because I was talking about anal sex and you fucking recording. What the fuck are they doing
Oh.
over there?
Doing what? Are they making a restaurant?
Fucking corral?
Is that the restaurant?
No, it's not you.
Is that the restaurant, Carla?
Yeah, Golden Corral.
Oh,
No, it's basically a Sizzler, but with better stuff, supposedly. Pero como va a ser en Puerto Rico, it's gonna be trash, so.
okay. Well, that's good to know. So we're at the next mall. We're gonna be eating some food now, so let's see if we can find some chairs and I don't know what else. It'll be cool if I can find like
Cocaine.
a microphone stand or whatever those YouTubers uses. I don't know what that is. Because last time I saw that at Burlington, there was only one left, and the next time I went to the store, and they were all out. So yeah, we're going inside now. They're gonna put the little laser thing on my face to see if I'm sick or not. So we'll see you when I get my food. Okay guys, our food is finally here.
It's so good.
I don't know if it can be seen though.
Yeah, they can see it.
And here is his food. I don't know what it's called in English, but whatever. I got myself
It's a fucking sandwich.
I got myself a chicken sandwich with some fries, and it's super good. Well, let's see how it tastes. And a piece of chicken just fell off. Okay, guys. First bite. First time eating a sandwich there. Pretty good. Well, we just finished eating
What's it going, boys? I'm dead.
and Gabby finished relieving his stomach of his food. So now we're heading towards Burlington to see if we can find anything good for Father's Day. And after that, we're going to the anime store, which is in this mall, which is awesome. For what? Of course, music. And whatever, who cares? It's not like you're just playing me or anything. But whatever. Let's continue with the adventure in the mall.
The mall venture.
Yes,
The
adventure.
mall venture.
The mall venture?
Yep.
Okay. Too bad the arcade is closed. But what can you do? Maybe one day I'll do another vlog where we go to the arcade. That'll be fun. But I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be opening anytime soon. But once it does, I will go there and play a bunch of games, especially the Halo game that they have there. Not sure what other arcade game they have though. I think they also have a Transformer arcade. And look at that. I think that's an Autobot, not sure. And Grimlock is right over there. What? What happened? God. I saw just now. Well, Burlington is closed, so that's a big no-no. So I guess we're going to the anime store. Well guys, we're almost done. So we're literally right there. So let's see what we can get. The anime store, motherfucker! I really wish I had that statue. It would be funny.
The monkey.
Whoever. It's still cool.
Don't tell me you were recording the other way the whole time.
Shut up.
Oh, you fucked up.
Well, we're here. So many Funkos. Ooh, they have the Super Saiyan Vegeta.
Damn it, I was gonna slap your ass.
I don't have an athlete slap woman.
Oh, that looks funny. So chubby.
Ooh. They have Broly.
They have Madara.
Nice question mark.
And now the whole copy from Boruto.
Holy fuck, it's hot in here. I'm suffocating.
I can't get up.
Somebody himself. Ooh, Broly. Another the older one. Holy shit, $30.
There's no for one. You gotta buy something of them.
All I need to see first. Oh yeah, I wanted to check the figures over there. Or those ones.
Rafa, you don't like this shit?
Huh? Not a big Naruto fan. Ew, you nasty. Would you get that statue of All Might? Would you get that statue of All Might?
Fuck yeah.
I will squish you really hard. Because it'll be even more fluffier. $4 for the smallest figure. There's Sano, Krillin, and Wiz. And a big ass Funko of Batman.
El hombre vampiro.
Oh, actually they have Hercule there. If only they have Overlord figures. Ooh, Goku. $30. Damn. I will honestly get this if I could right now. They also have Gogeta. Saiyan 3 Brawly. That's cool. Up the video right here.
We're gonna check
for
the money
now.
back.
Yep. So I'll be unboxing this in my house once we get there. So I'll see you guys in later. Okay, guys, it's time to start unboxing the Super Saiyan 4 Goku statue figure or whatever. So let's get this started because I'm actually excited. Damn it! Damn it! There's more tape. And here I thought it was only one tape, but it's more than one.
Get a knife?
Why have a knife? That's the question. My Digimon freaking thing. There we go. Now for the revealing of Super Saiyan 4 Goku. Oh, I had to build them. I did not knew that. That's gonna be fun. There are his legs, his tail, his torso. So that's how I want to defeat this figure there. Okay, here's the stand. Damn it. Fucking plastic.
You have scissors right there.
Here's the tail. Ooh, that smell. That plastic smell. Here's the torso. And here are his legs. Let's get this out of the way. There we go. Let's see, this goes like this, right? It goes like this. Go. This is really fun. There we go. And there he is, Super Saiyan 4 Goku. Yeah. I really wish I had one of those thingy things for showcasing. It looks really cool. Even though there's smudges, but those are removable. I think it's because of the scissors, maybe? Who knows? But he looks pretty cool. It's awesome, I love it. So yeah, besides that, I'm gonna show you guys my new desk along with my setup that I'll be getting eventually. So as you can see, here's my desk. Here's my laptop, my gaming laptop, my thumbnail making laptop, and here are my two monitors for when my PC arrives, my Origin PC, which will be arriving next week. So that's something to look forward to. So yeah, after this video, I will be making a reaction video. But first I'm gonna be uploading this tomorrow, then tomorrow night I'll be doing the reaction. Friday I'm gonna be uploading the reaction video. So yeah, and like I said before, my next video with my cousin is gonna be a food eating challenge. So let's see how that goes. Hopefully I don't die from the food. And about the Resident Evil HD remake gameplay, I don't know when I'll be able to continue it. Probably tomorrow. So I'll try to do one tomorrow and then upload it for Saturday. But whatever, either way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like my vlog. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.